Hello, my name is Adrian Sabatino.
The Southwest Florida market is on fire. We've got the weather, we've got the beaches, the location. We live in paradise. Today,
your most recent deals, you didn't have any money into.
Right.
And most people would hear that, Adrian, and they'd go, no way, that's not possible.
And I would think the same thing if I didn't do it myself, probably, yeah.
So talk about that.
here I'm at one of my lots in Fort Myers, Florida, getting this cleared, ready for new construction. I've got 10 more under construction in this neighborhood. I've got about 40 lots in this neighborhood that I'll be building on in the next couple of years. I've got 5 under construction in Cape Coral. I have one right here behind me. I have one right down there and 3 more right around the corner. Here in Lehigh Acres with a different builder, a different product. I've got 3 under construction here in this neighborhood. This is one of them and 2 others right. These are just getting the block right now. There's a whole work crew on this one. I just came to check out. I've got a bunch of new construction going on. I also do flips all the time, at least 3 or 4 a year. Here's one of them right now that we've got crew here working inside, and this is going to look like this.